Let's find out about adding products through an external provider. So there's a company I really like called Selz, S-E-L-Z, and they're an e-commerce platform, very easy to use. And so you can just find them at selz.com, start an account, and then add products there, and then add buttons or widgets and integrate them onto your Wix website to sell products. So let me show you how I do it. I'm going to log into my account. So this is my Selz account, and now I go under the items section. I'm going to click all, and I'm going to add an item. So you can add things like physical items, digital items, or services. I'm going to add a digital item here, and I'm going to call it I'm going to set a price. And the thing I really like about Selz is they've got an excellent allowance of how big your files can be. So I'm going to browse for my file. And I'm going to add it in. And then I'm going to add a product image. And I'm going to add a little thank you note here. And I'm going to save. Now here's my product. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add what's called a button or a widget for the product. Here's how the button looks. There's another option to add a widget, which will look like this. Or I could use a store or a store button. I'm going to add the widget here. And so on the right side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the HTML code here. And then I'm going to add this HTML code to my website here. So I'm going to go here to the left side and add, and I'm going to go to embed. And then I'm going to embed a HTML iframe. And I'm going to paste that code, the widget code, and click apply. So I've got a very clean, nice looking handpan groove sample pack for buying. I'm going to go and change the color of the button actually. So I'll go to the colors section. I'm going to use the red that is on my website. And so I'm going to copy the new code. And then I'm going to edit this code and paste the new code in there. Update. And we've got our product added. It's got a nice, slick looking design. And this is another way you can add a product to your website using an external provider like Selz. So there are a number of companies offering a similar service. This is a wonderful customization feature on Wix where you're allowed to use online stores or payment tools by other companies and integrate them onto your Wix website.